Struggling with slow hair growth and thinning hair? What if I told you there's a simple, natural trick that can supercharge your hair growth and give you thicker, healthier locks in no time? These magical recipes will boost your hair growth up to 3 times faster, resulting in longer and thicker hair within the first week of use. Try these simple and effective hair growth remedies to achieve luscious locks. In today's video, I'm sharing a game-changing method that can boost your hair growth 3x faster. Say goodbye to weak, lifeless hair and hello to the luscious mane you've always wanted. Stick around and let's dive right into this amazing hair growth secret. For the first recipe, you'll need 1 fresh onion. Onions are rich in sulfur, which boosts collagen production and strengthens hair follicles, promoting faster and healthier hair growth. The antioxidants in onions help reduce hair thinning, breakage, and premature graying by combating free radical damage. Peel the outer skin of the onion to prepare it for the next step. Grate the onion using a grater. Onion juice improves blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring better nourishment to the hair roots, resulting in thicker, stronger hair. Pass the grated onion through a strainer to extract the juice, ensuring only the liquid is collected. Onion juice boosts the production of collagen, a vital protein that promotes hair regeneration. It stimulates the hair follicles and improves blood circulation, which encourages faster and stronger hair growth. Vaseline. Add 1 spoon of Vaseline to the extracted onion juice and mix well until fully combined. Vaseline acts as an excellent scalp sealant, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. It creates a protective barrier on the scalp, reducing breakage and split ends, while also promoting a healthy environment for hair growth. Melt the Vaseline using a water bath method. Mix thoroughly until the Vaseline and onion juice are fully combined into a smooth consistency. Detangle your hair and ensure your scalp is clean and dry. Then apply the Vaseline onion mixture to your scalp, using your fingers or a brush, massaging gently and parting hair to reach the roots. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours or overnight for best results. Then rinse with lukewarm water and mild shampoo to remove all residue. For best results, use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Regular application ensures that the nutrients in the Vaseline and onion juice continue to stimulate hair follicles and promote rapid hair growth. You can store any leftover mixture in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Stir it well before each use. Now let's move to our second recipe. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and place it in a bowl. Coconut oil promotes hair growth and health by deeply moisturizing, nourishing hair follicles, reducing protein loss, providing antifungal benefits, improving elasticity, and enhancing shine. Next, add 1 spoonful of olive oil. Olive oil nourishes the scalp with essential fatty acids and antioxidants, which strengthen hair follicles, reduce hair loss, and promote healthy, shiny hair growth. Add 1 spoonful of Vaseline to the coconut and olive oil mixture and mix thoroughly until well combined. Place the bowl containing the mixture in hot water to melt the Vaseline. Then stir until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Now our powerful hair growth oil is ready. Apply this oil using the same method as in the first recipe. You will notice a huge difference within the first week, with your hair growing up to 3 times faster, resulting in longer and thicker hair. Ready for longer, stronger hair? Try this DIY Vaseline and onion juice treatment and let us know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing hair care tips, and share this video with your friends to help them on their hair growth journey.